Let's see how we can use Git X-Modules to manage multiple Git repositories in Atlassian Bitbucket. So here for the demo project I have two applications and a library, and we want this library to be included in both applications and still want it to be a separate repository. So to include the library into each of the applications, we use Git X-Modules application. Assume you have already installed it from the Atlassian Marketplace. Let's see how we do it. Go to App 1. The Git X-Modules is already there. Click on it. Click Add Module. Select the branch if you want another branch. Here you have a number of options. First, select the module repository. For our case, that would be library. Then select the branch in the module repository. This will be production. Pull and push, keep it for the two-way synchronization. This is the field for the module name. These options you can leave default. We'll discuss that later. Click Add Module and apply changes. Now wait a bit. Changes applied. Check out this status on the top, synchronizing models, it says. We should wait for the models to be synchronized. It's a bit slow on my machine because I'm running this locally. Done. Let's check the source code. Here we see we have the library directory, which contains the code from the library repository. Let's do the same now with the second app, with app 2. Again, go to Git X-Modules, select the branch, click Add Module, select the repository, it will be the same, library. Select the branch, also the same, production. The folder name for the module is the same. Here we use different options, rebase and squash always. Add module. Apply changes. While the models are synchronizing, note that the pull options, rebase and squash, are listed to the right from the model name. Model synchronized, let's check the source code. There, the library is there. And in the commits tree, it's just one more commit added. It will look different with the subtree merge option, as we will see later. Now let's go back to the library repository and change something there and see how the changes are synchronized. So we go to the library repository. In the production branch, which was added as a model, there is a file called shared code. This file contains one line. Let's add another line to it. Shared code changed in the library. Committed. Shared code updated in the library. Commit. Okay, let's see if the changes were synchronized. Let's go to app 1. As synchronization is a bit slow on my machine, we would check the Git X-Modules folder first to make sure the synchronization is completed. As I said, on the real Bitbucket it works in less than a second. Yes, it's still synchronizing models. Synced. Let's see if the changes are there. Open the library folder, open the shared code file, and as you may see, it has been updated in the background. Check out the commit tree. This is what subtree merge looks like. Each change from the model repository is merged into the main root. Now let's see if the library is changed in the app too. Same folder, same file. And in the app two changes are there too. It also works the other way around. And in the commit tree, it's just one more commit on the top of the previous one. This is what the rebase option looks like. That's basically it. Feel free to try it out. Download the Git X-Modules app from the Atlassian Marketplace and run it. Thank you for being with us.